Hello everybody, it's Saturday, and this is my Saturday routine around the house. After a long week of work and doing things around the house, time to put the feet up and relax. There's a few little miscellaneous things to do around here, like these soaker hoses. I need to salvage the fittings off of those and put that in the trash. But that's all easy stuff. And speaking of that, I've got a soaker hose that needs to be patched. So I'll probably go and do that and see if there's a few weeds here and there to pull. Look at the AC unit. I went ahead and put the badge off the old one on the side of the new one. So yeah, I got my Dr. Pepper ready to go and just ready to sit out here and relax. See this right here? That's what I gotta fix today. That's really chooching out of there good now. Alright, let's get this soaker hose repaired. Got my handy cuts. And I cut the bad section of hose out. Got my 3/8 copper tubing. And this is just buying me a little time. It'll break somewhere else. But it may last the full season, who knows. That would be ideal. Pull those off so that quits banging into the camera. And that's pretty snug. Then I get a second clamp. And then put that together. And tighten the second clamp. And then probably I'll get a 5/16 and put it on my ratchet and tighten it up a little bit more. Alright, here we go. Got my 5/16. I'll snug these down a little bit more. Don't want that popping off when I turn the water on. So now I'll back the camera up out of the way. We'll give it a test. Well, it's not spewing as bad, but it's not great. I got a feeling I got to replace this soaker hose, because I got another spot down here. But this third one seems to be repaired. A little better. This one's fixed. But yeah, this soaker hose is a goner. Well, the third time's a charm. I put a longer piece of copper in there that seemed to patch the hole pretty well. But this soaker hose could bust out at any time, at anywhere on the length. So I will probably just end up going out and buying a new soaker hose for this section. But for now, it's working reasonably well. All my patches seem to be holding up. Well, now that the water hose is fixed, I've got some fins to clean up. Got the twin 16-inch Lascos and my C122X Lakewood box fan. Pretty dirty. Let's get started. I'm going to get my LA's Totally Awesome in a bucket of water and we'll get started. Now that the fans are cleaned up and dry, let's give them a start. Very nice. Awesome. And they oscillate as well. Go to the medium speed. That's on high. And I'll go to the low speed on all of them. So all those are working. So they're ready for 2021 summertime. And they're going to get a workout too. Let's do a spin down. There's the one that goes, this one is the shop fan. This one goes in the laundry room. This one gets used more than the one in the shop. Very good. And off on this one. Excellent. Here are the 81 and 82 originals all cleaned up. We'll do a quick test of them. The lights are working. And the fans are working. And the bug zapper's working. After I got done fixing the hose on the south side of the house, that soaker hose. Next on the list today was to get the patio all cleaned up and make sure everything is good working order. And washed it all down because we've got people coming over tomorrow. So wanted to have everything nice and tidied up and ready to go. Washed the outdoor sink and cleaned up this window here and knocked cobwebs down and tested all the lights and fans and whatnot, and cleaned up some fans, which all these will be separate videos, but that is a look at a typical Saturday around the house. Thank you for watching.